Imagine this was written about Watchtower.
For a fifth cause of action. Violation of the South Carolina Unfair Trade Practices Act. Plaintiff realleges and reincorporates all above paragraphs herein verbatim. Defendants Watchtower and congregation held themselves out, and still do, as organizations that provide a safe, structured, and nurturing environment for children under the age of 16. Defendants Watchtower and congregation are aware of ongoing and historical failures to protect minors from exploitation within their facilities. Plaintiff, relying on defendants' representations regarding the safety and supervision of children at the church, attended church at congregation placing their minor child at risk of unknown danger. Other families at congregation relied on defendant Watchtower and congregation's representation of child safety at the church when deciding to allow their children to attend the church, roam the church grounds and participate in youth programs. Defendants have engaged in unfair and deceptive trade practices in violation of the South Carolina Unfair Trade Practices Act by a. misrepresenting the nature of their services, including falsely advertising their facilities as safe and nurturing environments for minor children when, in fact, they have a documented history of failing to protect minors from harm. And b. engaging in fraudulent and deceptive conduct by creating a false impression that they have effective policies, procedures, and safeguards in place to protect minor children when such measures were either wholly inadequate or negligently enforced. Defendants' unlawful conduct is part of a pattern of deceptive business practices that have occurred in the past, have the capacity to be repeated, and pose a significant risk of harm to the public, including other families and vulnerable children. As a direct and proximate result of defendants' violations of the South Carolina Unfair Trade Practices Act, Doe has suffered substantial damages, including physical, emotional, and psychological harm. Plaintiffs are entitled to treble damages, attorney's fees, and all other relief deemed just and appropriate by a jury at trial.